Pag-uusapan natin today guys yung post na nakikita natin sa tuwing nagla-login tayo sa Pi account natin recently, itong ecosystem announcement on May 14, 2025. Okay? So makikita natin dito, a Pi ecosystem announcement will be released on May 14. Tune in to find out what's coming out or what's coming next. Okay, so para lang magkaroon ako ng idea kung ano possibly yung magiging announcement ng Pi Network, tinanong lang natin si ChatGPT, okay? So, this is not an official announcement ng Pi Network, pero nag-utilize lang tayo ng ChatGPT for more information, okay? So, ginawa ko dito, pinost ko yung screenshot nung Pi Network announcement on May 14, and ito yung mga binigay na potential Pi Network announcement topics sa May 14, okay? So yung unang-una dito, Pi mainnet open and closed phase or migration process, okay? They might officially announce the transition of more users to the open mainnet, enabling external transactions and wallet interoperability. Sa situation ko guys, fully KYC'd na tayo, and itong part na to, existing na to or working na to, pero hindi pa kasi sa lahat ng mga Pi users. So sana mas marami pang users yung ma-migrate sa open mainnet para ma-maximize nila yung full features ng Pi account nila. So number 2, a new Pi ecosystem and decentralized apps or marketplace launch. Okay, so the mention of ecosystem hints the launch of the apps, services or platforms like Pi Commerce, Pi Pay, or the Global Pi Market GPM becoming functional for actual Pi usage. Ayan. Pwede nyo rin i-check yung mga previous videos natin guys for topics covering yung Pi commerce kagaya nito. Tinakil ko sa video na to kung what if magiging partner ng Shopee yung Pi. And then yung meron ako dito talaga kompleto. Itong Pi commerce map of Pi and Pi payments. Okay? So complete tutorial ito based sa aking research and time in motion, okay? Sa paggamit ng uh, Pi QR code, map of Pi, and Pi commerce. Ayan. Number 3, fiat conversion or exchange integration. If regulations allow, there could be a reveal about partnerships with crypto exchanges for limited or full Pi trading. So ito existing na tong number 3. May mga KYB partners na yung Pi sa mga centralized exchange. Ako, ginagamit ko yung MEXC Global and Gate.io. And recently, partnered na rin yung Pi Network with Bansa. Okay? So, number 4, Pi KYC Completion Acceleration. An update regarding KYC completion tools or the bulk migration of KYC verified users into the open mainnet. Ito maganda to. So maraming matutuwa dito ng mga Pi users, lalo na yung mga hindi pa fully verified, kung talagang maisasakatuparan to. Okay? So number 5, official Picoin utility in real world services or rollout of real world use cases, for example, food, transportation, e-commerce, powered by Picoin. Okay. So working naman yung Pi Pay Request payment feature. So etong number 5, medyo vague ito para sa akin, pero tingnan natin kung ano kung ano yung magiging talagang announcement na ilalabas or i-announce ng Pi Network team. Okay. So ano bang significance nito? So the Pi Network team at Pi Core team labeling this as an ecosystem announcement and placing a spotlight on the date suggests something substantial is coming. It may mark the turning point from test phase development into practical real-world integration. Ayan. And disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only and not financial advice.